Thank you very much for coming to Kyoto. The Global Math Network is a network currently composed of 5 institutes: Kyoto University, University Bonn, École Normale, Peking University, and New York University. It focuses on supporting young researchers. The first meeting of the Global Math Network was held in November 2017 at Bonn. We are very happy to have the second meeting here at Kyoto. The meeting has 9 lectures. Among them, 5 lectures are one-hour talks delivered by senior members of 5 institutes. Another 4 lectures will be given by young researchers in Kyoto University. Previous to this meeting, a mini workshop on representation theory was already organized yesterday and today's morning. We hope that this meeting will advance the interaction among young researchers more and more. Thank you very much for attention. So now let's start.